Hello, welcome to TechEasy. Good evening to everyone. Today in this video we'll see how we can put bullet points in Google Slides with the keyboard. So this is on my laptop, not on my phone. So on Google Chrome you can browse through Google and search for the Google Slides. And you can open this first website, workspace.google.com/ this website. See here, workspace.google.com//slides. So here if you sign in, Google Slides will be opened. So if you're planning for a presentation, just like Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, you can click on the slides here and you can add some images, some text, some bullet points, etc. to give a nice presentation, whether it is on the college or the company or whatever it may be. So in this tutorial, we'll see how we can put some bullet points. So before that, for any slide, if you write few points like bullet point 1, see I have wrote some 3 points. Just assume these are the points or the bullet points or the key points, whatever it may be. For now what I'll do is I'll just zoom this to somewhat 100% so that it will be visible to you. And once you're here, see there are options, the menu options. Okay, this is the menu bar where you'll get a lot of options. In order to just apply the bullet points, select this text first, select the text first, and click on this three dots at the right. See here, click on this. So you will get this option to format the text. This is to align the text, and these are the bullet points. You can choose the bullet points of different choices by clicking on this drop down and choose whichever bullet points you want, numerical or alphabet, alphanumeric. So different sorts, whichever you like you can keep it. So when you hit an enter, automatically the bullet points get added. So in this way, for any PowerPoint in this way you can prepare bullet points in this Google Slides for whichever the slide. If you want to have this text highlighting or text formatting, you need to just click on these three dots. Okay, basically they may not be available on the front menu. You need to click on these three dots. The more options, then you can be able to find here. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.